Hello traders, welcome back. This is my analysis for the Euro versus United States dollar, in which I'll discuss my point of view regarding the graphical analysis and the opportunities for the week ahead. Now, in my last analysis, I said that I consider the bias as being bearish, and the main idea was that all this phase is a consolidation phase of this downwards move. So as a consequence, I'm expecting that every appreciation, every high to represent a new selling opportunity. Now I switched sides, so I consider now that the bias is bullish, and the reasons for that are as follow. The main reason is that, if you recall, I said that from here, from this area here, two scenarios could materialize, and the first one was the confirmation as resistance and the continuation of the downwards move, and the second one was a false break of this level and price getting above it and continuing the upwards move. Now it happened to be the latter scenario, nothing special about that. However, what is special is the fact where this low is materialized, because if price would have made this low actually a little bit higher, so here somewhere, okay, or here lower, everything would have been okay. However, it made it here around this 1.1430, which, if I switch on the weekly chart, but for my convenience I will just zoom out a little bit, okay, I can see that this level, again 1.1430, is a very important resistance area. So the price thoroughly respected it, and now this X resistance area was confirmed as a support on a weekly basis. The second argument is that this confirmation happened in a very special way, in the form of this pin bar. Okay, so price retreated very drastically. It was an aggressive move, only one touch and then appreciation. Again, this says something about the commitment of the market. The third argument would be that after this pin bar, because it could have made a double bottom or something like that. No, a pin bar, okay? And that pin bar is followed by two bullish candles, strong bullish candles. Of course, the fourth argument is the fact that price got again above this support, this 1.1533, and another interesting thing to add would be that price didn't confirm only the level, this 1.1430 here, but it also confirmed this line here. Okay, so basically I can see that here it confirmed a double support, and if I consider that price got above this level 1.1533, actually a triple support, okay, a triple confluence area, and again it got above this line, so a fourth line, if you wish, if you'd like to consider that. Now, I also said that if price makes a new high in relation with this high over here, again, it's a chance, an advantage for the bulls. So all these arguments point towards an appreciation, okay? And the idea is that I'm not considering anymore as this being the consolidative phase. I'm expecting now that this confirmation of this important area here to give the bulls again sufficient courage, okay, to try and break this 1.1821. Now, let's first talk about the opportunities around here. So, of course, the only opportunity now would be to buy. I'm expecting any bullish pattern. We can see an example here. Okay, so maybe some sort of an engulfing pattern. This would be a conservative approach. It could also, the signal, it could also consist of a hammer, if you want, with soft break of this 1.1533. It could also be some sort of pennant. Okay, so 2 or 3 candles here, and then an upwards move, an upwards candle. So any bullish combination would do the trick, okay, to say like so. I would rule out the possibility of an appreciation only if price takes out this low. But until this low is not taken out, I consider the bullish scenario. Now, for these buying opportunities, I have the same profit-taking areas. The first profit-taking area is this, just under this 1.1728. And the second profit-taking area is here under this 1.1821. Now, to talk a little bit, I prefer to say things, when price are there, to have the actual arguments, but just it would be a more concrete discussion. But anyways, just as an idea, it is possible that price, so it's a possibility, okay, that price would not directly break this level. This scenario is possible. However, it is also possible to see a retracement from this 1.1821, maybe a confirmation as support of this 1.1728, and then an appreciation. So it needs to make another low that is actually higher than these previous lows. And this again would add to the optimism of the bulls, and thus will allow an actual break of this resistance. So yes, this is my view for the euro versus United States dollar. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you're seeing it on YouTube, and like, and why not share if you're seeing it on Facebook. Till next time, trade well and take care.